At 6, we want to go to Waterbury, where the coronavirus has the school district rethinking its grading policy. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right now. He is in Waterbury with what they're talking about. Matt?
Hi, Mark. Well, some feel this is just giving students a free pass. Others say it's a safety net if they're struggling for the early part of the year. But, here in Waterbury, it's just for this 1 year. And students won't be getting a 30, a 20, a 0. Sure, they'll still get an F. But going forward, when they fail, the lowest grade they'll be getting will now be a 50.
Whether it's an A, B, C, D, or F, that tells you. F would mean you've definitely not mastered it. But you can. And so when you do, therefore, that could be applied. So you're not going to fail the entire year because you did not master something the first grading period.
Dr. Verna Ruffin, Waterbury superintendent, says that's the thought behind the recent change to the district's grading policy. Earlier this month, the Board of Education voted by a 6-3 margin to eliminate any number grade below a 50 this year. And during these unprecedented times due to COVID, the district says it could help students.
I do believe it provides a safety net for those who may miss assignments or have a poor performance, sometimes due to conditions outside of their control, without demoralizing that student and creating a situation where it is impossible to make up from.
But others argue the new grading scale sends the wrong message.
This is absolutely an excuse. It's absolutely a free pass. And that's not what we're about.
And the grading scale isn't the only change. When it comes to a student's overall grade this year, the district will also put more of an emphasis on assignments. That means 75% of a grade will be based off schoolwork, while the remaining 25% will be weighted towards the tests and exams.
It should be tied into standards. It should tell us what students have learned. It should also tell us what they need to have as a reinforcement or retaught. And it also should tell the student what they need to do to be able to continue to improve.
Now, the district says that this new grading scale just for this year, will not impact its highest achieving students. They say it won't really impact those on the opposite end as well. The students that really aren't putting in the effort, not giving in any work, they're going to fail anyway. They say this is for the folks that are in the middle, students that might be able to now pull themselves up after a slow start to the year, a rough start to the year. And they say in that case, they won't fail the entire year because of this. We're live with the mobile newsroom in Waterbury. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.